so we got Travis in today. Today is Friday. Jags are playing this weekend, right?
That's right.
So super excited about that. But more importantly, with Travis here, Travis is actually in the off season of golf. He still enrolled in school at UNF, but actually just joined the PGA Tour up in Canada, correct?
Yep.
And also have another status, right? Where is that located?
Latin America.
Latin America. So he's in during the off season right now. Had a pretty good summer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did pretty well.
Right.
So looking forward to 2020, getting back into some of those qualifiers and getting on some more of those tournaments. But coming in today with some low back tightness, some hip issues too, right?
Mm-hmm.
But we've also been kind of looking down that chain a little bit into the knee and the ankle area, kind of getting some movement in there, doing some stabilization exercises, just making sure everything's good to go. So when he does get back in the weight room and the other training that he does, he's top notch, ready to go. And then when do you actually start back up in 2020?
Pretty much January.
January?
Yeah.
So you hit the road running right in
Mm-hmm.
right at the beginning of January, and then probably won't see you till you get back in town, huh?
Right. Yeah.
So, so what we're gonna do is just kind of assess the low back, and then we'll start working on that hip, knee, and ankle too. Sound good?
Perfect.
Awesome. So we're gonna focus on this sacroiliac joint right here that kind of runs down the back side of his low back right here. Tendency to have it more predominant on your left side there, a little bit of tightness. So we're gonna open up this kind of before we get into the hip and the knee stuff. But what I want you to do is just kind of relax right here. You're gonna feel me kind of roll you over, and I just want you to just let that low back go, kind of relax. Good. Good. We're gonna start working down this hip a little bit here. I just want you to relax that hip. You're just gonna feel kind of a downward pull real quick here. Good. And we're gonna come up into this knee. And then down to this ankle. Have a good one, man.